Hi, and welcome to ISE 2014 in Amsterdam, Netherlands. I am Jim Burns, and we're going to talk a little bit about display development and what we've been doing the last year, since the last ISE show. We're continuing on with our in-wall models. Last year at ISE, we introduced our in-wall 7. It was a $7,000 in-wall system designed to be put vertically in a wall instead of horizontally in a soffit or hanging it on a pipe in the middle of the room. We had pretty good success with that product. In fact, even won CE Pro's Best of Show for CEDIA 2013. We've continued that line and expanded it. From that one single unit, we now have 14 different SKUs, price points ranging from $10,000 all the way up to $280,000 for in-wall product. We've also taken the next step and isolated the product in the ceiling. The advantages of this, it doesn't ruin the ergonomics of the room. They're invisible when they're off, and they're also completely silent when they run because they're built into a chamber with plate glass, port glass through it. The projector for our in-ceiling stays in the ceiling. A small optical system like an upside-down periscope drops down to project the image onto the screen. So it's very quiet and unobtrusive. We've really been doing well with this product because we're creating new jobs for the custom installers. Our focus is purely residential. We don't do any commercial work, so CEDIA and those custom dealers are really important to us. With these solutions, they're able to go out and make money on jobs that they weren't able to get systems into before. They had to settle for a small flat screen when someone wanted a really big screen and a great immersive experience. So usually what happens is a dealer will come to us and approach us and say, hey, we have a system where our customer would like a really big image, but we don't quite have a straight shot to the projector. Or there's a glass wall, we can't put a soffit in the room for construction purposes or design purposes. So we'll walk through and come up with a good solution for them based off of the customer's expectations. Once we've met those customers' expectations, that quote then goes off to the customer and they decide whether they want to pay for it or not. Sometimes we can make some adjustments to the system, make it a smaller. Sometimes once they find out we have the capability to hide the projector, they end up with a bigger screen because they were afraid of having that box in the room, so we end up upselling from there.